Welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we will explore how you can manage your privacy on Zangi Messenger by hiding your online status. Many users want more control over when they appear active, and this simple setting can help you stay private whenever you need. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Once the app is launched, look to the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option labeled Settings to enter the main settings menu of the app. After that, from the settings list, select Privacy. Finally, you will see an option called Show My Online Status. Turn this option off, and your contacts will no longer see you as online. We showed you how to hide your online status in Zangi, making your conversations more private and secure. Subscribe for more tutorials like this video. Share it with friends, and thanks for watching.